Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to change your pronouns on Pinterest using the latest update. Whether you want to better reflect your identity or simply update your profile, this step-by-step walkthrough will help you do just that in no time. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone or tablet. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your profile settings. Once you're in, head straight to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the very top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where all your boards and pins live. Next, tap on View Profile to get a closer look at your profile details. From here, you'll want to find the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This is where you can customize various aspects of your profile, including your name, bio, and importantly, your pronouns. Look for the Pronouns field within the Edit Profile menu. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of pronoun options to choose from. Pinterest offers a variety of choices to make sure you can select the pronouns that best represent you. Simply pick the pronouns you want to display on your profile. After selecting your pronouns, don't forget to save your changes. There should be a Save or Done button. Tap it to confirm your update. Your profile will now show your chosen pronouns publicly, helping others address you correctly and fostering a more inclusive community. And that's it. Changing your pronouns on Pinterest is straightforward and quick, ensuring your profile truly reflects who you are. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to check out more tips and tricks for customizing your social media profiles. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your personalized Pinterest experience.